In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add pages within a page in Squarespace. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. Once you are inside your dashboard, you will want to look over to the menu on the left side of the screen. Depending on the version of Squarespace you are using, you may see an option labeled Website, or you may see Pages. Both lead you to the area where your site structure is managed, so click whichever one appears in your account. After that, find the plus icon next to that section and click it. This opens the menu for adding a new item to your site navigation. If you are trying to create pages within a page, what you are really doing is creating a parent menu item that can hold additional pages underneath it. In Squarespace, this is commonly done using a drop-down, and in some versions, it may also be called a folder. When the menu opens, scroll down until you see drop-down or folder, then select it. This will create a container for the pages you want to organize under one main heading. It is useful for keeping your navigation cleaner, especially if your website has several related pages that belong together. Next, type a name for this main menu category. This is the label visitors will see in your site navigation, so choose something clear and descriptive. For example, it might represent a section of your site that groups related content together. Once you have entered the name, press Enter to save it. At this point, the main category has been created, and it will serve as the page within which other pages can be placed. If you are organizing your site for easier navigation, this is a simple and effective way to do it. A well-named drop-down or folder can make your website feel much more polished and easier for visitors to browse. One helpful tip is to make sure the title you choose matches the content you plan to group underneath it. That way, your navigation stays intuitive and easy to understand. Also, if you do not see the exact same wording in your account, do not worry. Squarespace sometimes uses slightly different labels, but the process is the same. That covers everything you need to know.